In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Apple Music not playing songs on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. The Apple Music app needs a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to stream songs. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and disable it, and this will refresh your network. Next, make sure your subscription is active. To check that, launch settings. Click on your Apple ID, scroll down, head over to the option subscriptions. Confirm that Apple Music is still active. If it expired or failed to renew, songs may show but one play. Another common fix is restarting the app and your iPhone. First up, restart your device. Then, launch the Apple Music app, completely close it and reopen it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is shine out and shine back into your Apple ID. For that, launch settings. Click on your Apple ID, scroll all the way down. Click on Shine Out and confirm it, wait for a few minutes and sign in back. This refreshes your music library connection with Apple servers and often fixes playback errors instantly. Also check for iOS update. An outdated system can box with streaming apps. If nothing works, completely delete the Apple Music from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. One of these solutions will definitely fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.